As a real estate agent, I'm going to share with you some important things to remember when you're getting ready to sell your house, especially as we look at the interior. For instance, having a consistent paint color throughout and trim colors are a good idea, as well as remembering that rooms should always look like they're being used for close to the designated purpose. For instance, as we walk in, are we in the foyer or are we in the garage? You might want to stow this in the garage instead. Let's take a minute and go through. For instance, in this home, the owner has painted all the walls the same color, the trim is the same color, and that's a great start. But as we go into the rooms, you get a little clutter going on here. You want rooms to appear as clutter-free and spacious as possible. So remove these items on the shelf. It'll look better that way. And remember, the way you live in a house and show a house are two different things. Don't forget to pick up after yourself. Maybe stick away the comfy blankets and magazines for a while. Pick up after the pets and the kids. Minor repairs are important. If a buyer sees this loose faucet, he may think there's other things that haven't been taken care of. Take a minute to go through the house and check for cracks in the floor, cracks on the wall. They can be easily fixed, doesn't cost much, but can make a difference. It may not sound like much, but these minor things can make a big difference for you in your overall marketing time and the value you receive. Thanks for joining us on today's Money Hack.